Earth is our most familiar place. There are hundreds of millions of kinds of creatures living here, including us, humans. Rich varieties of minerals and biological resources are contained in large areas of land and sea. Lives rely on the resources to survive and reproduce. Earth was born about 4.6 billion years ago, with the repeated collisions and combinations of numerous asteroids. The Earth was formed in its primitive state. The collisions produced heat in the atmosphere, making the Earth's surface temperature rise continuously. The surface became an ocean of melted magma. After the collision ended, the surface cooled down gradually. Extensive periods of rain formed the ocean. Scientists have painted a picture of our early Earth. Most of Earth's surface was covered by ocean. The erupting volcanic island was scattered all over the ocean. Fossils help geologists determine the geologic time. The earliest fossils were found at the bottom of sedimentary rocks. The shells and fragments in the fossils provided the records of animal evolution in the ancient ocean. During the Jurassic Period, which was about 200 million years ago, dinosaurs were the most prosperous animal species on land. If you go through the historical data, you will see that the shape of continents on Earth 200 million years ago would be completely different from what it is now. This is because the surface has been moving continuously since ancient times. But it is moving at a very slow rate, only a few centimeters each year. German geologist Wegener accidentally discovered the relationship among the continental plates. He proposed the hypothesis of continental drift. Scientists also found further evidence to prove the theory of continental drift. Same kinds of animals and plants were discovered between the adjacent sections of plates. Earth's interior is very mysterious and active. How could we know what the interior of Earth is like? People in ancient times investigated Earth by exploring caves and observing volcanoes. Today, people adopt scientific drillings and seismic surveys. Through research, we've learned that the Earth's interior can generally be divided into three parts. The core, mantle, and the crust. The crust is the outermost layer of Earth, which is mainly composed of rocks. The average thickness of the Earth's crust is about 17 kilometers. Compared with the average radius of Earth, which is over 6,000 kilometers, it is only a thin layer. The mantle is in the middle part of Earth. It is mainly composed of very thick rocks. The mantle is the largest and most massive part of the Earth's interior. The core is the innermost layer of Earth's interior. It is divided into outer core and inner core. The core is composed of mainly magma, and it is the only part formed with liquid. Earth belongs to the solar system of the Milky Way. In the late 1960s, humans saw Earth from space for the first time. Let's look at each individual planet of the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.